Hey people, I have very interesting smartphone this time. Actually, as you can see, I have from Chinese company Vkworld their latest smartphone T2 Plus. So, for the beginning I will say a few words about packaging. Actually, as you can see, it comes in black box. And besides that, normally you will receive smartphone, charger. This is actually 5 volts 1 ampere charger, so it is actually not a quick charger. Also black USB cable and interesting headphones. So I must admit I was very surprised when I saw that they have given to you headphones, because mostly Chinese smartphone companies does not give any headphones, only USB cable and charger, and sometimes, just sometimes, headphones. And besides that, of course, user manual. So what is interesting about this phone? Actually, this phone is a flip phone, and flip smartphones are not common these days, which is actually quite normal because mostly people got used to have big devices with big huge screens, but nevertheless still flip phones are used today. And because of that, several months ago Samsung has introduced their high-end flip phone, and now we have another flip phone with Android and really decent hardware. So let's say about most important features of this device, which actually is that it has dual screens or two screens, which are all the same 4.2 inch. It has 3 GB of RAM and 13 megapixel rear camera, while the front facing camera is 5 megapixel. That's it for now. So let's start with build quality and design. So as I said, this is a flip phone, and the first thing you noticed, it is a little fatter than usual smartphone, but this is quite normal because it has two screens. So on the side it looks like this. Let's start with back side. The back side of the phone is actually very interesting because the back side is made from genuine leather, and this is really nice, and of course it looks nice, but also nice feeling with touch. So on the back side of the phone we have the 13 megapixel rear camera and LED flash. This is actually the cover, so it is removable because we have removable battery, and below the battery are the slots for SIM cards and memory card. Some parts of the phone are made from plastic, good quality plastic, and some parts are made from aluminum, like these silver parts. So buttons are also made from plastic. Okay, let's open the phone. So like any other flip phone, the situation is also the same. So normally we have a physical keyboard, and inside we have also 4.2 inch screen, but this screen is not touchable. It has no touch, so it is classic screen like on older smartphones, but the resolution is the same and the screen size is the same like on the touch display. So actually this is really cool because you can make calls, text message, or something else with physical keyboard, and still today some people likes more physical keyboard than the touch. I don't know why, but it's okay. So as you can see, you can change some settings, or for example, see, you can normally type your phone number, call someone, text message someone, go back. So in some way you can adjust settings, do something like calls, text messaging or similar with physical keyboard. But remember, if you want to turn on the phone, then this power off on button is not working for powering on, so you need to use this button for powering on. This, but later this power on off button works normally for turn off, turn on display, and for powering off of device. So this is how it looks when the phone is opened. It looks really interesting. And really cool. And it's kind of unique design because these days flip phones are not common. So when the phone is opened, the primary screen is turned on, off, and when you close, the primary screen is now turned on, and you can normally use it. So what is most interesting, this device have two features, like normal phone with physical keyboard and like smartphone with touch screen. So you can normally use the phone, go to internet, play games or watch movies, everything, just like any other smartphone. So as I said earlier, it has two screens with same screen size, which is 4.2 inch and HD resolution. While the primary screen has touch, the second screen has no touch, but you have physical keyboard, okay? And for 4.2 inch screen, HD resolution is great choice. It provides enough sharpness and great visibility from every angle. So you can see, really nice. Visibility is also good. So, and the touch works precisely. Okay. And as I said, build quality is very good. It has really nice design. Actually, the phone is beautiful. And what is most important, it has really nice back cover with genuine leather. And if we want to use as flip phone, just open the phone, you have the second screen, everything is here, physical keyboard. Overall, really nice. But what about built-in hardware and performance? On this field also it provides good performance because it has 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage space. And if for some reason you need more space, then you can use memory card up to 64 GB. So it has a decent medium strong hardware. Don't worry, because you will be able to play any game, watch a movie or something else. So let's see, for example, CPU-Z information. Okay, so it has quad-core CPU, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB storage space, and approximately 23 GB free space, plus memory card if you need. It has some sensors. Okay, let's see, for example, Antutu benchmark score. So the score is okay for this built-in hardware. Okay, let's see, for example, how YouTube works. Let's see something this. Okay, in this way. So you can see YouTube works just fine, but the same situation is also with movies from memory storage, full HD movies. Games works also like GTA San Andreas. Let's see how it looks from. So the same situation also with inside screen or second screen. So you can watch movies from second screen or from primary screen. It depends on you.
Down.
Okay, let's go to the next chapter. So, what about cameras? So, as I said earlier, it has 13 megapixel rear camera, which is equipped with LED flash, and it has just a moment. Front-facing camera, which is on the second screen here located, and it is 5 megapixel. About photo quality, I must say that I'm impressed with photo quality because in reality I did not expect something special, but photo quality is okay for this price range group. Colors are realistic and photos are almost sharp, so it's okay. But to be sure, you can visit my review and from description you can see photo samples. Also about battery is removable and it is hidden below this back cover. From available information, it is 2000 mAh capacity, so nothing special about battery. It provides approximately 1 day with average use, and you will receive normal charger, but don't worry, because you don't need to wait too long to have a fully charged battery with this kind of capacity. So, as conclusion, if you're looking for some unique smartphone like this one, then for sure you need to consider this device, because it provides beautiful design, beautiful design, genuine leather, very good build quality. It is actually a flip phone, so you can have a unique phone with your friends and colleagues. Excellent screen. It is not too big, 4.2-inch screen with HD resolution, medium strong hardware. Overall, really cool phone, and I believe you will like it, because the price is now $260. It's actually a good price for this kind of phone. So that's it. Thank you.